Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 desktop computers that are available on the market. Actually, I try to make popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget subscribe this channel for view future videos. Let's start this videos. Starting at number 5, we have Apple 2021 iMac. The 2021 iMac all-in-one desktop computer by Apple is a stunning addition to their lineup, boasting powerful performance and sleek design. Equipped with the revolutionary M1 chip, this iMac delivers exceptional speed and efficiency with its 8-core CPU and 7-core GPU. The 24-inch Retina display offers vibrant colors and sharp detail, making it a visual treat for any task. With 8GB of RAM and 256GB of SSD storage, you have ample space to store your files and run applications seamlessly. The blue color adds a touch of elegance to your workspace. What's more, this iMac works seamlessly with your iPhone and iPad, providing a seamless ecosystem. Complete with matching accessories, the 2021 iMac is a perfect blend of style and performance. Moving on at number 4, we have HP Envy 34 inches all-in-one desktop. HP Envy 34 inches all-in-one desktop is a powerhouse that combines style and performance. It features an impressive 11th Gen Intel Core i7-11700 processor, offering exceptional speed and efficiency for multitasking and demanding applications. With the NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 graphics card, you can enjoy smooth and immersive gaming and multimedia experiences. The 32GB of RAM ensures seamless performance, while the 512GB SSD provides ample storage space for your files. The WUHD IPS display delivers stunning visuals with sharp detail and vibrant colors. Windows 11 Home brings a modern and intuitive user experience to the table. The cherry on top is the detachable magnetic camera, providing added flexibility and privacy. The HP Envy 34 inches all-in-one desktop is a perfect choice for those who seek power, elegance, and versatility in one package. At number 3, we have Cyberpower PC Gamer Master Gaming PC. The Cyberpower PC Gamer Master Gaming PC is a budget-friendly option that doesn't compromise on performance. Powered by the AMD Ryzen 3 3100 3.6 GHz processor, this gaming PC delivers impressive speed and responsiveness for smooth gameplay. With 8GB DDR4 RAM, multitasking is a breeze, and the Radeon RX 552GB graphics card ensures stunning visuals and immersive gaming experiences. The 240GB SSD provides fast storage for your operating system and frequently used applications, while the 2TB HDD offers ample space for your game library. This gaming PC is Wi-Fi ready, allowing you to connect effortlessly to online gaming networks. Running on Windows 10 Home, it provides a familiar and user-friendly interface. The Cyberpower PC Gamer Master Gaming PC is a solid choice for entry-level gamers looking for an affordable and reliable system. At number 2, we have Alienware Aurora R13 Gaming Desktop. The Alienware Aurora R13 Gaming Desktop is a powerhouse that redefines gaming performance. Featuring the Intel Core i7-12700F processor, this desktop delivers exceptional speed and efficiency for seamless gameplay and multitasking. With 16GB of DDR5 RAM, you can expect smooth performance and quick loading times. The combination of a 512GB SSD and a 1TB HDD provides ample storage space for your games, files, and media. The NVIDIA RTX 3060 TLHR 8GB GDDR6 graphics card ensures breathtaking visuals and immersive gaming experiences. The desktop is air-cooled for optimal thermal performance, and with killer, Wi-Fi 6, and Bluetooth 5.2 connectivity, you can enjoy seamless online gaming and fast data transfer. Running on Windows 11 Home, this desktop offers a sleek and modern user interface. The Alienware Aurora R13 Gaming Desktop in white is a true beast for gamers who demand the best. And finally at number 1. Microsoft Surface Studio. The Microsoft Surface Studio 2 is the epitome of creativity and innovation. With its Intel Core i7 processor, this all-in-one desktop delivers powerful performance for demanding tasks. The 16GB RAM ensures smooth multitasking and responsiveness, while the 1TB storage provides ample space for all your files, projects, and media. The stunning 28-inch PixelSense display offers breathtaking clarity and vibrant colors, making it a dream for artists, designers, and content creators. The Surface Studio 2 also features a versatile hinge that allows you to tilt the display and work in a comfortable position. Whether you're sketching, editing, or designing, the Microsoft Surface Studio 2 empowers you to bring your ideas to life in the most immersive and intuitive way possible.